Hello friends, welcome to sidza.com. Now in this video we will learn about haloalkanes and haloarenes. What are haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. From the alkane, if we replace a hydrogen atom by the halogen, so what do you get? You get a haloalkane, right? So suppose we got here the methane, and from the methane, if you replace a hydrogen atom by the halogen, what do you get? You get a haloalkane, right? So you get a haloalkane. So suppose we have another molecule where you got two halogen atoms, and you can have three halogen atoms also attached to a particular carbon atom. Similarly, we can have the CH3 single bond CH2 halogen here, and this halogen, it can be anything. It can be, it can be the fluorine, it can be chlorine, bromine, or iodine. So these are the haloalkanes. Here in this case we got only one halogen atom, so this is a monohalogen derivative, right? The halogen derivatives of the alkanes are also called as alkyl halides, right? These are called as alkyl halides. And so the general formula of the alkyl halides will be Rx. You can have a dihalogen derivative, a trihalogen derivative, a tetrahalogen, right? Like that. Normally, a monohalogen derivative of the alkane is called as an alkyl halide. Okay? So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the different properties, the physical and the chemical properties of the alkyl halides, and we will also discuss how these monohalogen derivatives are prepared from different chemical reactions, right? So that means, we can have different examples in the alkyl halides, right? So suppose we got the CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, or you can have a CH3, CH2, Br. This is the alkyl halide. You can have a CH3, CH, here, and the halogen atom attached to it, and then you can have a CH3. This is also the alkyl halide. So these are the monohalogen derivatives which are called as alkyl halides. And what about aryl halides? What are actually the aryl halides? Aryl halides, we can say these are the halogen derivatives of the aromatic compounds. And here the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring. For example, we got the benzene, and we know the formula of the benzene is C6H6. You got 6 carbon atoms there, and hydrogen are 6, right? If you replace one of the hydrogen atom here by a halogen, so what do you get? You get aryl halide, right? This is an aryl halide. So you can have the chlorine attached with the benzene. You can have some substitution also, on the benzene ring. Okay, for example, you got a methyl group here, and you also have a halogen here. So this is also a aryl halide. So now we can say aryl halides are the halogen derivatives of the aromatic compounds. Alkyl halides with the general formula of Rx can be classified into 3 categories: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and the tertiary alkyl halide. In the primary alkyl halide, the halogen atom is attached to the carbon which has 2 hydrogen atoms and only 1 alkyl group, right? So this is the primary. Basically this will be called the primary carbon, and the halogen is attached to the primary carbon, so this is a primary alkyl halide or a 1 degree alkyl halide. In a secondary alkyl halide, we have got two alkyl groups attached to the carbon, right, which is attached to the halogen. So over here you got 3 alkyl groups, and these alkyl groups, they may be same or different, right? So these alkyl groups, they can be same or they can be different. So that means if you look at this molecule CH3 CH2Cl, this is ethyl chloride, and this is ethyl chloride is a primary alkyl halide because the carbon attached to the halogen has got only one alkyl group. Over here, suppose you got a secondary, that means suppose you have a chlorine attached to this, and there should be 2 alkyl groups attached to it. Suppose you got the methyl group and you got the ethyl group, or you can have 2 methyls also, right? Similarly here in the tertiary one, the carbon is attached with the halogen and there are 3 groups attached to it, and the groups can be same or they can be different. Suppose this is C2H5 and this is also C2H5. So this is a tertiary alkyl halide. Hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.